Hey, good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Mr. Elements. As we said before, we got a big project going on today. Of course, we got Big Dan in the house.
Hey.
We got my boy Joey over there.
Hey.
And my sidekick Tay. We're gonna be out here knocking some stuff down today. As you can see, he's already going at it. We already in the process of getting the other side knocked out, leveled out, all this good stuff. But you guys stick around, man, and check us out. We got a whole lot going on. So all hands on deck. Figure out what we can do. And, you know, of course, we'll keep you guys in the loop.
All right, stick around to find out, gang.
Move the tree over there. Y'all see how it look now, y'all. It's already getting where it needs to be. All this stuff out. Trying to show y'all again. This is how it looks now. This is how it looks now. Yep. Clearing out the tree, man. Again, this is, look at that. The tree is gone. That was here in the front. Taking it back. We're gonna use that for firewood. But again, just check out all this. We got to do a lot of hands-on out here. I'm gonna try to video as much as I can. You guys, I really appreciate you guys sticking it out with us. I'm quite sure the whole Mystic Element family does. Man, we got so much going on. We gonna get y'all set up here while we continue to get busy.
I know that you're gonna love them. Come eat my panties off of me. Do whatever you feel comes naturally. Cause I wanna let my hair down. Is that alright? Is that okay? Hey, hey. Cause I wanna let my hair down.
Yeah, y'all. Just taking y'all through, showing y'all stuff real quick. I know y'all remember the tree that was here in front. It's gone. Look at all these boulders and rocks out of here. So much going on at one time. And so they had, looked like it appeared to be a septic over here. See the pipe, the hole. Have to dig something. We'll probably make that the hole for the septic there. But again, we're going at it, y'all. There's only so much we can do in one day, but you guys will see the results once we're done. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can, but this is one step closer. He's gonna...
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
we do next with the build. Again, we got to do the destruction before we can start the building, and we are definitely doing the construction part, the breakdown, the deconstructing. He's trying to wrangle it. Gotta kind of give it that pressure while you're doing it. Which one are you working on? Go ahead.
Okay, let's go.
Temperature rise, say my name with your eyes. I don't gotta rush, I steal the show. Red hot sugar, cherry glow. Gold on my waist, light in my hair. Confidence dripping everywhere. I move like a secret you wanna keep. Tasting your thoughts when you try to sleep. Light dancing on my skin. Danger wrapped in innocence. I don't need words, I let it show. Yeah, I'm that vibe, that cherry glow.
Get out of this dude's way. Gotta get this stuff out. Put it inside. Gonna come back with a grapple and take out a lot of this junk with the grapple. It's getting there. And you know what? I decided to keep the tree. Everybody was against it, but I am keeping this tree here. Cut off just another part of it and I'm gonna keep the tree.
Miss Annabella, shake that thing, yeah, no. get busy. Just shake that booty non-stop when the beat drop. Just keep swinging it, get jiggy. Get drunk, up, percolate anything you want. For call it oscillating if I don't take pity. More to see you get live on the rhythm of my ride. And my lyrics up about electricity. Girl, nobody can do you nothing cause you don't know your destiny.
It's coming together, y'all. It's coming together. A lot of work. Whole lot of work. Hoping to almost get to the cement for the day, whatnot, but let's see. I mean, for tomorrow. We'll see at the end of the day. Process is clear. We're just filling up the inside with dirt so we can lay gravel on top. We'll stomp it down and do what we got to do. But we are getting there. We are getting there. More dirt, more dirt. Taken care of. So driveway here. Still got a bunch of dirt. We're gonna probably need that type of dirt. We want to try to get to this pile over here, kind of get that smooth and leveled out. There's only so much you can do in one day. So glad my mama showed up. Came out here to chill with us for a minute. You know, come hang out and see what Mr. Element does out here. So everybody take a little break, I guess. So, let's see. It's all good, girl, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on, let's get it on. Mystical. Yes, indeed. We're just trying to see what y'all talking about today.
Oh, we enjoy where we at, Mystic Element.
Dang. Yeah, we don't do a lot of talking out here. You know, we do a lot of work and
We just
not a lot of talking.
We just look and watch.
It's real. They just look and watch.
Watch for ants.
Yeah, watch. We look and watch.
Yeah.
Yes, I do know the name of it.
Right.
All right, we done got most of the stuff compacted. Getting ready to start another step, which is doing some flashing or blocking, so we can get ready to start bringing in some of that you know, gravel. But compacted, bring in some gravel and we'll wet it down hopefully or something, and we'll go from there. All right, look at that. All that's been cleared over there. Look at that. Remember it was a big old pile right there, y'all. Big old junk pile. The only thing now is a big old boulder. Look at all this extra room out here up by the structures. Remember there was trees and bricks and storage sheds and all kind of stuff over there. Of course, we kept what we can keep and doing what we can do. But look, he's working down there trying to clear out some of the stuff we didn't get to do before. But yeah, man, having a good time, y'all. A lot of work. We might be able to drop this cement on Sunday to finish up that structure. They're doing some flashing, whatever now. Looking good. Making my way on around to see what they doing in here. Let's see what they doing, y'all. Let's check in on them. Got that man flow. era. I think because of that,
Be doing cement
tomorrow I might be going home Sunday night. Or I mean Sunday.
Is it set down now?
Why, you already got it up?
Yeah.
Huh. Why rush home?
I want it over it.
I mean, we're over the mark.
I want it over the mark.
It's like a lot, so.
I'll remark it.
Okay.
Y'all hear this,
I
y'all?
fucking like it.
Listen, y'all hear this?
I fucking like it.
This is
that way.
Mystic Elements, and that's the other side.
I like it this way.
Oh.